Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by sorting your stack into strong, medium, and weak adhesion groups so you know what to rescue first. Once sorted, gently cleanse any dirty glue edges with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. Make sure to let the adhesive dry for 30 to 60 seconds. Next, press curled corners flat under a book for 10 minutes to restore shape. This immediate salvage stabilizes notes so you can reuse them without transferring dirt or losing stickiness. Now you restore tackiness by adding a thin replacement adhesive strip where the original failed. Glue dots or a 1/2-inch double-sided tape work well. Make sure to align the new adhesive with the note edge and press firmly for 10 to 15 seconds so the bond transfers evenly. Once applied, smooth the note with a small roller or your thumb to expel air pockets and ensure full contact. This step prevents premature peeling and keeps the note flat for writing. You finish by reusing the rescued notes effectively. Place them where you need reminders and organize by color or date so quick retrieval is effortless. Once in use, store spare notes face down in a resealable bag to keep the adhesive clean between uses. If a note still fails to adhere, clean the surface, reapply a new adhesive piece, or convert it into a folded tab for temporary marking. If things go wrong, try cleaning both surfaces, then reapply pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.